Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system readiness. Open Settings and verify your Windows 11 build and that updates are applied. Once done, sign into the Microsoft Store with your Microsoft account so installations and licensing sync. Make sure no restart is pending. If Windows asks, restart now to avoid installation errors. Then open the store, search for Paint 3D, and keep the store window ready. This prepares you for a smooth install without interruptions from updates or account prompts. You click Get or Install in the Microsoft Store and allow the download. This places Paint 3D on your PC and registers it with your account. If the Install button is grayed out, head to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find Paint 3D and choose Repair or Reset to fix corrupt state. Once that completes, try opening Paint 3D. If the store method fails, you can use PowerShell commands to reinstall the app package, but follow on-screen confirmations carefully so Windows maintains app integrity. You open Paint 3D from start and create a quick new project to confirm functionality. Save to your Pictures folder to verify permissions. Make sure file associations are set in Settings App's default app so 3D files open in Paint 3D. If the app crashes or won't open, run System File Checker, sfc/scano, and dism to repair system files, then reinstall from the store. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back into the Microsoft Store to refresh licensing if downloads fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.